Hello, today we talk about this Chinese character wǔ, which means martial arts, 武术的武, or military force, 武力的武. So Wu is actually, a character that probably you've seen before if you're a big fan of martial arts or if you're practicing in a martial arts school. This is a Chinese character that is like usually written on the wall in the school. So, so this is a character that symbolizes or actually carries the meaning of armed forces or like martial arts with all these actions to defend yourself. So this is a character. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.